So we've just got our grab from the hotel. We're waiting for our train. Jamie, tell everyone what's happened.
So we've been upgraded to free. We originally got a second class 6-seating cabin, 6-bedded cabin, and now we've been upgraded to VIP and we get a free drink.
Yay!
For like 14 hours now, so we've got about 3 hours left, and it's actually been pretty pleasant. We've got air conditioning, nice comfy bed, we've had a nice sleep, and we had 2 lovely Danish people opposite us and no screaming children. However, we did get an email from our hostel saying that their power's going to be out tomorrow all day. Vietnam are weird and they just randomly turn off electricity. Just arrived into our hostel, well, shipping container. And this is just wonderful, isn't it, Grace? Got a little double bed, covered in wood, little air conditioning, and it's literally just shipping containers. Going to the beach. I just got some new shorts, cut them myself and absolutely messed it up because I left mine at the other hostel. And Grace has got a stupid hat. Wow.
What the hell was that?
Second day in Da Nang. We kind of didn't vlog yesterday because we went out for nice food and a few drinks. But we're heading to the city centre today. We're gonna go see the Dragon Bridge and then probably just gonna go chill on the beach again. Just stopped and had a little coffee. So today, Vietnam randomly turned off electricity. It's bonkers. It's bonkers. So nowhere's got air conditioning, nowhere's got anything. And we found this place with a generator, so they got an air conditioning, and we were able to get a coffee. We're also planning our onward journey, and we might be able to go to Singapore. So we spent the day walking around and on the beach and in the swimming pool, and now we're going on our like 12th consecutive date night. The top rated place in Da Nang on TripAdvisor.
Really? Is it number 1?
Yeah.
Damn.
We're just chilling today. Just booked our accommodation and travel to Hoi An. Tomorrow we're leaving at 2 PM, going for a few days, and then onwards to Nha Trang. We've had a good time here though, haven't we, Grace?
Yeah.
It's been a bit dead. There's a beach, there's a city, and there's a couple of landmarks. But it is genuinely beautiful. Like, the beach is incredible. It's white sand, there's palm trees and blue sea. But there's not too much to do. So we've not got bored. We've just grown away from it a little bit.
that's all it really takes. We don't need nothing but today. Yeah.
If she's good, I'm not going on.
Gracie's doing an open mic.
Everyone! Now we've got Grace.